We will discuss first the 2x2 dynamic follow matrix. In this system, all you have to do is fill your matrix with 6 people, those who will purchase our products under you. Then, automatically earn $70 or $90. We have many ways to strategically fill and complete your matrix. One way is through teamwork. This is you, the blue man icon. Then, these 2 colored man icons are your direct referrals, and both of them referred 2 people as well. Then you completed your matrix. That entitles you to have a $70 bonus, plus you will have another matrix to fill in. No worries, it is for free. You don't need to pay $60 again. Then, through teamwork as well, your first direct referral have completed this matrix. He earned $70 and he follows you to your new matrix. Then, your second referral do so as well. This time, as you can see, you only need 4 slots to complete your second matrix. It's either you fill it up or both of them, and once you complete it, another $70 for you. What about the long-term scenario in this daytime? Your direct referrals will be represented by this colored man icon, and both of them referred 2 people under them. Then on your new matrix, you referred 4 of them, and the rest referred by one of your referrals to complete your matrix. Another new matrix for you. But this time, most of your direct referrals completed their matrices as well. So, they will follow you on your vacant matrix. As you can see, all of your direct referrals completed their matrices, and all of them will eventually fill your matrix. That's another $70. So, you have another new matrix. You referred 2 new direct referrals. Then they complete your matrix again. Both of them completed their matrix and followed you. And the cycle goes on. Here's the catch. The most important scenario is the more you refer, the faster you cycle. Another scenario. This is you, and you refer just one productive person, and you stop. But he continued to refer people to complete his matrix. He cycled and earned $70. The best part is that since you have a vacant slot here, automatically he will have a new matrix on that. And when he continuously refer people to join this program, the moment he fills the remaining 2 slots in your matrix, there you have it, an instant $70 for you. So he continued, and this is exciting. Once you refer more than 7 people every following cycle, that you will have is $90 lifetime. That's $20 bonus on top of your $70 every cycle.
We have here in our team, we have the sign up support. Dito lahat ng nagsa-sign up dun sa website natin, dito ko siya nare-receive sa email na to. So as you can see here, I have 52 inbox. Simula nung July 7 up to July 11 today. So kung titingnan mo dito, ganun kalakas yung team natin. We're in average for 5 days, 10 katao, araw-araw ang nagsa-sign up sa website natin. We're in, lahat yan, kanya-kanyang referrer. So dapat ikaw mismo, mauna ka na sa kanila bago pa sila sumali lahat. Kasi ito, yung 52 people na yan, 1 text away lang or 1 follow-up away lang, automatically lahat yan interested. Kaya nga sila nag-sign up eh. Kaya nga sila nag-fill up ng form kasi interested silang sumali. So ikaw din, basically, pag nag-sign up ka dito, kailangan mag-secure ka na ng slot mo or secure mo na yung position mo sa team natin. Kasi bukod sa team support, 100%, may sign-up support tayo, may team website tayo, lahat yan, all-out support na para sa'yo pag nag-join ka dito. Payo ko sa'yo, wag mo na patagalin. So once na gusto mo rin kumita, nasa bahay ka lang, ng thousands of dollars, join ka na kaagad, gawan mo na kaagad ng paraan yung 2,500 pesos mo. para makapag-start ka na rin right away. So guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video. I know I didn't waste your time sharing this opportunity to you, and all I can say is, to God be the glory.